Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making this pepper steak, so if you would like the recipe, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to start out here with these sirloin steak strips, and then I have on my plate here some onions, green, yellow, and orange peppers, and I have some scallions as well as some fresh garlic. These are the seasonings I'm going to be using, and just take note, this is the jerk seasoning that I used, the Walker's Wood. I'll tag those other things in as we get cooking. So as I mentioned, I have here on the plate those fresh seasonings. So I'm just going to go ahead and add all of these things directly to my bowl before we actually get into those dry seasonings as well as marinades and sauces. So once we have that all in the bowl, we're just going to go ahead and get that mixed up. Mix your veggies in with your meat, and then we're going to go ahead and just put in our dry seasonings here. Keep in mind, guys, I like my food spicy. If you don't, you might want to leave the spicier seasonings out of this, or maybe a lesser quantity, but we like spice and garlic on this side, so yeah. For best results, guys, I would say that you should marinate this for at least a half hour before cooking. But best results, like I said, I would go ahead and do this overnight. But if not, go ahead and cook as soon as you finish seasoning up. The flavor is still going to be all there. So what I'm doing here is burning some sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and do this so that the color of the steak will be what I want it to be, not like a gray, but more like a nice brown color. So I've gone ahead and added in there 2 teaspoons of sugar to my pot, and I've let this heat on high, and that's where you see that brown color comes in. And to that, you'll see here, I'm just adding in my steak. I've gone ahead and separated those vegetables. We are still going to use them, of course, but we've gone ahead and separated them out so that we can brown our steak. I want to actually give this a little time before stirring it up because I don't want to create a lot of water in our pan just as yet. I really want to allow the steak to be sealed and browned, so this is why the movement is very low at this point, and we're really giving it a chance before beginning to stir it up here. Alrighty, so we are about 10 minutes in here. We can see our steak is now brown. We still have some red parts there, but we're looking brown here, and we are now about to go ahead and add those veggies in because we are sort of at the halfway point. So I'm going to go ahead and get those veggies added into the pot, and we are going to be cooking these vegetables until they are translucent and softened. If you like your veggies in your pepper steak crunchier, then you will cook this a little shorter. However, I prefer my veggies to be actually cooked and stewed down, so that's what's going to be going on here. So you'll see that we've gone ahead here and just simply let this simmer. Alright, you just simply let this simmer until all our veggies are getting softened up and translucent, like you can see they are here. And at this point, that bowl that we originally seasoned our food in, oh my god, that, guys, I was pouring the water in here so we could create a little gravy, and I dropped the entire bowl in here. Look at the mess that I created doing this. I was so stressed out and annoyed. I was so irked. But anyhow, this is our finished product of our pepper steak after we went ahead and added that water and let it simmer. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or future videos you guys would like to see, and how you guys enjoyed this recipe. As always, thanks for stopping. Bye.